Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. So let's get started how we can do this type of things. Okay, first I download this picture from Splash. You can also get it from Splash and Pixel. Okay, then let's make a middle of this picture. So I took a ruler and okay, here's the middle of the picture. So and how we can get the rulers? So you extras and rulers. Select this thing and this will appear. And you can see I can move these things, but if you con if you press Control Ultra and a semicolon, then it will be fixed. Okay. Then use this rectangle marquee tool like this. Okay. Then create new layer and press Alt backspace. Then Control D to deselect. Okay. Here it goes. Now let's type. Okay. I choose Gotham Ultra. You can choose any bold font, and this Gotham Ultra is really free. You can find this in the internet to get it. Okay, now I'll type some letters like fast. Okay, use colon, and please try to use it or full cap. Okay, life is what happens. Okay, okay, first make it large so we can see very clearly. Mm, okay. Then increase the backspace in different two layers text, but try to make less space in that so that our pictures look really perfect. Okay, I think that's okay. So life is what happens when okay, you can write any of the codes you want to use. So I choose this one, and please subscribe my channel guys to make new videos like that. If you help me to grow my channel, please like my video and comments and subscribe my channel. Please. Okay, it's done. You can see that. Now place it near the photos with a little bit zoom. Place this place so we can move the artboard. Yeah, I think it's perfect. Okay. Now you can see that all the spacing is okay, all the font is okay, but the semicolon, here is the huge gap, you can see there. So that's not good for typography. So first select that quotation, then increase. 255 or 260. I guess it's fine. It's totally okay. Okay. And then the space is increased, so you select this line and try to decrease. Okay, let's if I choose like this 48 or if I choose 44. Yeah, I guess it's okay. Yeah, totally fine. Yeah, very okay. Now we have to change the second semicolon or quotation mark. We total quotation mark, so sorry, it's calling me semicolon. This quotation mark. So we use that quotation mark 260. Now decrease increase the space. So it looks perfect. I think we can. Yeah, I think it's great. We can make a little bit more like this. Yeah, I think it's great total. Okay, now let's decrease it and Control T. And place it in the perfect place. Okay. Uh, I guess it's perfect. We can increase a little bit and please press shift so that your spacing and lettering is okay. Okay, I think it's okay totally. Yeah. Okay. Now let's press Control to this layer, then I off, then go to second layer one and backspace. Okay, now press Control D. So here is the thing. You can see it. It's totally okay. And now if you want to highlight your layer more, then go to dash tool, expose 100%. Okay. Okay. If your caps lock is open, then it will show like this, the cross sign. If you increase the setting, then it will not work. But if you turn off the caps lock, then it will can see the square one shape. Sorry. Okay. I think it's okay. Now let's bounce so that our eye and other thing come and looks perfect. Like this. Need some dramatic action here. Okay. Okay, I think it's totally perfect now. Control semicolon, so the guide is gone. Okay, it's totally fine. Now it's totally okay, so you can see in this how you can do this test of thing. It's subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.